first thing we're going to learn about is the geological conditions associated with the formation of mineral deposits. Now, if all the mineral resources in the Earth's crust were evenly distributed across the world, then none of them would be sufficiently concentrated enough to become viable reserves for exploitation. So, geological processes that we're going to look at now have provided localized concentrations of deposits, enabling exploitation to occur. So, based on the process of geological formation, mineral deposits may be classified into 4 broad categories, which we're going to look at now. The first type is called a magmatic deposit, and they are named because they are linked with magma, and this magma is emplaced into the crust, either continental or oceanic crust, and they are found within rock types derived from the crystallization of such magmas. So the process of crystallization separates ores and also non-ore materials from each other, and they separate them based on their crystallization temperature. So each ore and non-ore will crystallize at a different temperature, so this then separates them as they crystallize. So these deposits also include deposits including nickel, copper and platinum, and this is a diagram here showing us how magmatic deposits are formed. So here we have what's called a deep feeder of magma, which will push magma up through the crust, and as it's pushed up, the minerals contained within the magma will crystallize and form deposits, as we can see here. The next type of deposit we have is called a hydrothermal deposit, and looking at hydrothermal, we can see the words hydro meaning water and thermal meaning heat, so these are the processes that are going to be involved. And hydrothermal deposits are mostly found and associated with igneous processes, associated with magma intrusions as well, as we saw with the magmatic deposits. And the way they're formed is that rocks around an intrusion of magma may be lifted and deformed so that cracks and fissures appear, and then these cracks allow hot solutions containing dissolved materials to escape towards the surface, and as they cool down...
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level geography videos, just click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level geography a walk in the park.